You're gonna crash now. You're gonna crash. Welcome along everybody, Friday afternoon, another what's going on in the workshop MX5 restore update. So the car park is pretty much the same as what it was on Monday. Yeah, no point going around there. So Mark's is all done, just about to give it a wash. It's got a little bit dusty but it's been in the workshop. I've been working on it all week. So basically I can give a quick run through actually what I did. Bear with me a minute. You can see this bonnet a bit clearer now. So I've got his central locking working. I had to move the actuators and turn around. So he had an issue with his central locking, so I've moved the actuators and fitted new ones, repositioned them, that's all working. Fitted P5 floor rails and cleaned up his existing floor rails and underseal, partial underseal, because this car is very clean underneath. What else was it? Yes, I did a bit of fab work. So he had a blow off valve just here, it's now hidden underneath. He supplied another pipe, so I've done that. Oh, and deleted his rest of his aircon system. So nice engine bay this as well. Yeah, nice car, Mark. So that's that. So I'm about to give that a wash. I've been feeling really crap this week as well. Just a head cold. Every time I move my head or sneeze, like a vice is squeezing my brain. So it's been a bit of a struggle. Let's see what's going on. Surprise, surprise. Roy is working on the black one. Still at it, Roy?
Yeah.
Ploughing through it.
Almost at the end. To my part anyway.
Yeah.
To the back. Not really much changed. I've done. Probably got to.
I don't think that's the right camber.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
No, definitely not. I've just done one seal on the car. Ready for, well, just get done before we go to quality shop. And I'm just currently fitting the moisturiser to the rear.
Yeah.
And that's it. Done on this one. So we haven't done the rear arms because the customer's going to body brush the rear end.
Yep.
So rather than undersealing it and him getting gooky hands, or just wearing it all off when he's got stuff in the vice, and we've just left them. So you can do that at a later date. So
I'll stand here. It's not picking up your face. It's too much light behind it.
No, that's good. No one wants to see my face.
Oh, I'm sure there's plenty of women watching this, Roy, that like looking at your face.
No.
Comment below who likes Roy's face.
Yeah, so that's basically it. I mean, I've just got to get it's all stripped ready for paint.
That's Jim. Can you turn that off for me, please? I got sidetracked in doing the video. I've left a bucket in the sink filling up with water, and it's probably now overflowing everywhere.
Good job it's in the sink.
Yeah.
So yeah, I also got the rear coilovers on. I'll put it back on the floor, put the hardtop back on, and go to paint.
Yeah.
So it's not really a lot.
But there's been a lot shown on this car, hasn't there?
There has.
Because there's just been so much sort of done in it. Now the roof's off, you can sort of get to see inside a little bit.
Yeah. It's got one red leather seat which is upstairs. I don't know what's happened to the other one. So, let's say the roof won't even close on this. So it's got to go down with a hard top on.
Is it a bit manky?
Well, it was sat for...
Did it have a hard top on it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so it's been...
Sat for 7 years.
Is it going to have a new roof on it?
And that is as far as it will go with me and Ash putting on it. It's still wouldn't shot. So,
that fabric, that vinyl is very... Oh, that's very...
yeah.
That's very... Not pliable at all.
No, really. So, yeah, that's a bit of a no-go, that one. So, we don't normally send them down to the body shop with hard tops on them, but we don't have much choice in this one.
No.
So,
cool.
to come.
Alright. See you next week, Roy.
Maybe.
You're going to crash now. You're going to crash.
No,
So
you're not standing in the way.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, if I go and stand behind, you might crash
Yeah.
into me again. You're just giving this a clean down, are you?
Yep.
So this is another one that's going out. This one's probably been featured on a couple of previous videos. It's been at the paint shop. It's been down at AJ's. Having both rear quarters done. So we got it back from paint shop today. Black line's been done. Giving it a clean. And just giving it a once over. Go hand back to the customer. Is there anything else you need to add to this conversation? Yeah, your MX5 doesn't make that sound, does it?
No. But
Your Micro mightn't it?
no. That goes tap 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 tap.
He's Ash is the one of two that has to make turbo noises
Yeah, because Roy is currently being boosted.
at the moment.
Yeah.
Currently, slow process.
Subaru, so that's fine.
That's not an MX5.
You're selling the Subaru, aren't you?
Yeah, so.
So you'll have nothing boosted in ownership.
Well, sad times. I'm just gonna cry a little.
Thanks, Ash. Let's go over and see Jim. What are you doing, Jim?
Very nosy. I'm putting in a wideband into this.
Yeah. So Jim's currently putting an AEM X Series wideband into this Supercharged MX5 because it just doesn't have one. I've got to get it. It's running, but it needs fettling a little bit, and obviously I need a wideband to do that. You just hurt yourself, Roy.
Wasn't a pleasure noise, was it?
Yeah, so Jim has been doing chassis rails, cleaning up the seal lips underneath the bottom, yeah, and just doing a few other little bits and pieces to do. So how far off are you from doing that, getting that done?
3 out of 4 wires.
3 out of 4 wires, okay. And then the customer has actually purchased one of our speedo cowls that's got that goes over the standard speedo cowl here, but it's got a 52mm cut out on the side. Well, it comes out with a pre-cut hole, and then you can put a gauge in there. So the wideband is going to sit sort of just here. In fact, if I take you on a small journey here, I should have been a bit more prepared for this, and we do have one sitting here, which is this. So if I go, I think I should be able to just show you guys what it looks like. We had these made quite a few years ago, and there we go. Sorry for the close up there. So they're once fitted. Once it's in, it will sit like that. Be in there like that. It's quite nice, really. We only ended up getting the Mark II one done, but should have got one for the Mark 1 really as well. All right then.
My car then.
Yeah, these are
How many you got left?
50 quid. I think that's quite cheap for what it is.
Yeah.
It's finished off quite well. Alright then. So, nothing else really to say here, is there? I'll let you crack on and get wired.
You want to do a video of it when it's in?
Nah. Do it. It'll be on your ramp on Monday anyway, won't it? So we'll probably do one then. As it's Friday, I think it'll still be on your ramp. Right, cheers, Jim. So I'm about to wash the car. Get my hands really cold. It hasn't been as if it hasn't been cold enough in this workshop all week anyway, because our heater broke. And on the same morning I sold our old backup heater to a friend of ours, which I think I mentioned in a previous video, and then it broke hours later. So yeah, I think that's why I've been feeling rough as well. So okay, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys giving us the feedback and, you know, taking your time out to watch us do our thing. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.